So friends, I have already logged into the Jenkins management console. This is the GUI console of Jenkins. Okay. Today we'll create a job. Okay, to build one Java code. Okay, Java programs. I have written one Java program, that is hello world.java. So we'll build that. Okay. So in today's session, we'll not use any type of source control management system, or any type of any type of build tool. Okay. So in the upcoming session, we'll see how to how we can integrate our source control management system with the Jenkins, how we can integrate the build tool like Maven to the Jenkins. In the upcoming session, we'll do practical on that. But as a beginners, today we'll learn how to create a simple job. Okay. So you can create a job by clicking create new jobs, or by click on new items. Okay, so I will click on, so currently there is no build in queue. Okay, so I will click on create new jobs. Okay, so I will give my sample job. Okay, so my job name is my sample job. Okay, so I will use the freestyle project. So there is a different type of project. So freestyle project, pipeline, multi configuration. So on upcoming sessions we'll learn one by one. Okay, so currently I am selecting that freestyle project. Okay, then I will click on OK. So friends, then okay, there is multiple sections: general, source code management, build trigger, build environment, build, then push build actions. Okay, these are the sections. So in the general, I will give the description. Simply, this is my sample job. Okay, to execute Java program, to build Java program, or to execute Java program. Okay, then this is plain text. If you can preview, this is my sample job. So you can you can customize this view by by adding to HTML format. Okay, this is plain text format, so you can do also. Okay, then discard old job, GitHub project parameterized. So these are the option in the upcoming session we'll learn. Okay, so next is source code management. Okay, so source code management, I will use in this case none. Okay, so upcoming session we'll use the git. That means from the git repository we'll pull the code. Okay, then we'll build the code. Okay, but in today's session I have already copied the Java program to my local Linux machines where Jenkins has been installed. So from there we'll build the uh, code. Okay, then none, then build trigger. Okay, so in build trigger, so we'll choose trigger build remotely, build after other project, build periodically. That means okay, we'll choose build periodically. So that means if you'll click here, so periodically means, so that means how frequently the build will be done. So per minute, or in is there any specific time you want to build, trigger the build. Okay, so you have to specify. So this is the format. Okay, so in this case I want to run my job on per per minute. Okay, each minute. So I will give like this. Okay, so the job will be triggered per minute. Okay, so this is minute, hour, day of the month, day of the week. Okay, so you will get more info here, like in the Linux there is cron tab, right? So like this only. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, then build environment. Okay, so I will not go with these options currently. Then the build step. Okay, where we can, how we'll do the build. Okay, so if you click on add build step, so execute with bash command. So if your if your machine is Windows, then we can use the Windows. As my machine is Linux, so I will execute shell. Okay, so there is so many different option is there how we will build. Okay, okay, next upcoming session we'll build build our code in different options using different build step. So in today's session I will execute my build using shell. Okay, so what command I will shall I use. So guys, this is my code. Okay, so this is hello world.java. This is one Java code. Okay, so I am going to that build that Java code. Okay, so where is the location? So this is the location. Okay, slash root under root. So I will give first what will use cd root. I will give the full path. Where is the program is there? Hello world.java. Okay, then next step what it will do, Java C. Java C means it will compile the Java code. Okay, so hello world dot Java, paste. Then after that, after compilation success, then it will run the Java code. Java, then hello world. Okay, okay, paste once again, copy, then paste hello world. Okay, so first it will cd to that particular path, cd to their root. Then cd to root, then after that it will execute Java. It will compile the code. Okay, it will compile the code, then it will run. Okay, then this is the execute cell. So there is no post build action. Okay, in the upcoming sessions. Okay, the what post build after build, the what will be the it will convert it to the var or your file. So where we need to build, that is a post build action that we'll learn in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so what we did, so we mentioned the descriptions. Then we are, as of now we are not using any version control system like to pull we have placed some, there is no code in the place in the repository. So as of now we are not using any versioning source code management system. So the build will trigger per minute. Then build step is the, it will browse to that particular location, then it will compile the code, then execute. So this is our build step. As of now we are not using any post build action. Okay, then I will set the code, set the job. Okay, now this is my, okay, this is my job. See here, so per minute that build trigger. Okay, so it is saying that is in red color. Red color means it is job failed. Okay, we'll check why that job got failed. Okay, if I'll click here, then I will go to the console output. Okay, so what it is saying, started. Okay, then it is created a folder under var lib Jenkins workspace my sample.java, my sample job, which is the job name. Okay, under job name it is cd to root. Okay, then it is saying that permission denied. Okay, so now guys, why permission denied it, through, might be Jenkins has no permission to cd to that particular directory. Okay, so we need to give sudo permission to the Jenkins user. So that's why it's that job got failed. So we'll check. So Jenkins, so in this case I have to give the sudo ers. So I have to add that Jenkins user in the sudo ers file. Okay, So what I will do, I'll add same thing for Jenkins. Okay, insert, or I can use that vi sudo. Okay, vi sudo. Then I will copy this thing. So I will give the sudo access to Jenkins user. Okay, insert, I'll give here, I'll remove the wheel group, I'll give the Jenkins. Okay, wq. Okay, now save. Now let's see. I'll go to, that is where is my job name? This is my job name. So 1 2 3, so it's the job is running on every 1 minute. So last 3 job got failed. Okay, so let's see. So now you can, if you click on build now, so it, the trigger, job will be again, build will start. So again, okay, it got failed. Okay, now, okay, this is the latest, right? So we need to check console output. So again, it is permission denied. Okay, so we have already in the operating system, we have given the sudo access. Now we need to modify that job. Okay, we need to modify the jail. If you need to click on configure. Okay, because, okay, then we need to, here in the build, here we need to give the sudo. We need to add the sudo java helper, then save. Okay, then let's see. Okay, now whether it is, now as of now it is getting failed. 6 also get failed. Okay, now we'll click on build now. 7 also failed. Okay, console output. Okay, this is execute root permissions denied. So friends, so now it got success actually. So I changed the permission of, if you can see that in the last build, if you'll see the console output, it was permission denied. cd2 root was permission denied. So I have already changed the permission of root directory to 777, so that it can execute, because my hello world java program inside the root. Okay, after changing the permission, now the build got success. Okay, 27 28. Okay, so if I click on 20, so console output, then you can see okay, so cd2 root, then java c hello world.java, then java hello world, then hello world, finish, success. So now the build is success. Okay, so continuously, so each minute the build getting triggered. Okay, if you want to build now, so if you can click here, then again build will trigger. Okay, so now is the build number 30. So continuously it got fault due to the permission. So I have already modified the permission of root directory. Now it got success. Okay, so in this way we can set up a sample job. Okay, so multiple job. So in the next session, friends, we'll because in today's session we learn how to set up in a sample job. Okay, okay, we have not added any repository when we set up the job. Okay, we have not added the any SCM, and we have not added any type of build tool like Maven. So in the upcoming sessions we'll learn one by one. Okay, by integrating one tool. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoy the sessions, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.